Ever woken up with a heart pounding, thinking, what if my money vanished overnight? Sounds like a nightmare, right? But for thousands using platforms like StashAway, it's a question that lingers. What if StashAway suddenly shut its doors? Let's dive in. First off, panic is your enemy. Deep breaths. Remember, your money isn't physically in StashAway. It's invested in various assets, stocks, bonds, real estate, etc. These assets exist independently of the platform. So, if StashAway were to unexpectedly close, it's essentially like changing investment managers. Your money doesn't disappear, it just needs a new home. This is where understanding your investment portfolio becomes crucial. Know what you're invested in, the asset allocation, and the underlying holdings. This knowledge empowers you. Next, don't be a lone wolf. Engage with your financial advisor or a qualified investment professional. They can guide you through the transition, helping you understand your options and potential costs. Remember, while StashAway offers convenience, it's essential to have a broader financial plan. Now, let's talk about the worst-case scenario. What if recovering your investments becomes a complex process? This is where having proper documentation is gold. Keep records of your investments, account statements, and any correspondence with StashAway. These documents will be your lifelines in navigating potential challenges. But let's be real, platform closures aren't common. Regulatory oversight and stringent financial requirements make such events rare. However, preparedness is key. Diversifying your investments across multiple platforms is a prudent strategy. It's like not putting all your eggs in one basket. Also, consider the role of investor protection funds. These government-backed initiatives exist to safeguard investors in case of platform failures. Understanding how these funds work and if your investments qualify can provide an extra layer of security. To sum up, while the thought of StashAway closing might be unsettling, it's essential to approach it with logic, not panic. Your investments are your assets, and their value isn't tied solely to the platform. Knowledge, preparation, and diversification are your best allies. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Remember, financial knowledge is power. Stay informed, stay in control.